warm welcome to all of you to the India FinTech Awards 2017.
I'm actually amazed with such kind of forum. Way back, the opportunities to interact with fellow entrepreneurs or people who you look forward to were simply not existing.
I'm very glad that I am attending this because from here I can get several instances and examples of entrepreneurship and originality and creativity.
It's a tremendous good idea to have a forum like this.
I think the forum has done an extraordinary job in terms of professionally conducting this event.
It is not only with new ideas, but they are, if you see, bubbling with a lot of, you can say, excitement.
Coming over here itself was a great honor, and then winning it was basically icing on the cake. So brilliant. I think this award is for the entire team.